Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to view output on VS Code. Let's get straight into it. First, you need to open the output panel. The quickest way to do this is with a keyboard shortcut. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus U. On Mac, that's Shift Command U. Once you press the shortcut, the panel opens up below your editor area. You'll see a new section appear at the bottom of the screen. That's the output panel. It'll show logs, messages, and information from whatever tools or extensions you're running. Now, if you have multiple tools or extensions installed, VS Code creates different output channels for each one. You'll see a drop-down menu in the output panel labeled Show Output From. Click on that drop-down. A list appears showing all the available channels. You might see things like Git, tasks, extensions, or the names of specific extensions you've got installed. Each channel shows output from a different source. Click on the channel you want to view. The panel updates immediately to show output from that specific tool or extension. Once you've selected a channel, you can read the output content directly in the panel. It displays in the main text area below the dropdown. This is where you'll see logs, diagnostic messages, build output, or any other information the tool is writing. The output updates in real time as the tool runs, so if something's actively generating logs, you'll see new lines appearing automatically. The text is read-only, so you can't edit it, but you can scroll through to review what's happened. Here are a few useful things to know. You can toggle the output panel on and off using the same keyboard shortcut you used to open it, Ctrl-Shift-U on Windows, Shift-Command-U on Mac. If you need more vertical space, you can move the entire panel to the left or right side of the screen by dragging it into position. And if you're looking for output from a specific tool like Git, some tools have their own dedicated commands. You might need to run something like Git, show Git output from the command palette to see that channel directly. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.